Are you amazed by nature's mysteries? You need to watch this because we're diving into the life of the immortal jellyfish. Meet the Turritopsis Dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. This tiny marvel of the sea has an incredible superpower. When it reaches adulthood, it can actually revert back to its juvenile form. That's right, it hits the reset button on life, essentially living forever. Unlike other creatures, the immortal jellyfish doesn't age in the same way. When faced with injury, starvation, or old age, it simply transforms itself back into a baby jellyfish. Scientists are fascinated by this magical ability and are studying it to understand more about aging and regeneration. So next time you think about the wonders of the ocean, remember the immortal jellyfish, a true testament to the mysteries of nature. Isn't that just mind-blowing? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing nature facts. See you next time.